Where does the name for Llechwedd come from? So today I'm in Llechwedd. It's a very small hamlet just outside Conwy in Conwy County. Let's get into the name. So let's break the name down. A Llechwedd is a hillside in Welsh, generally rocky, which is pretty descriptive of the hillside surrounding the village. It's from Middle Welsh Llechwedd, from Proto-Celtic Llechsowios, which meant slanted, but also figuratively used to describe people with an impaired gait or who walk with a limp. Interestingly, it's hypothesised that one of the Gaulish tribes, the Llechsowi, may have had their name from the same derivation, meaning the limping ones or the slanted ones. If this is the case, then the name has a distant relation to the name of a town in Normandy, Lisieux, which was originally called Noviomagus Lexiorum, the new market of the Llechsowi, with Noviomagus eventually dropped. Another interpretation is that the word is made of llech, meaning slate or rocks, boulders and cliffs more generally, and wedd, which is the soft mutation of gwedd, meaning an outside face. It's the same wedd as in tirwedd, landscape, and agwedd, attitude. On the edge of the village is Tabernacle Methodist Chapel, which was built in 1862. The name tabernacle comes from a reference in the Bible, from Latin tabernaculum, which is a tent, a booth or a shed, and is the diminutive of taberna, a hut or a shed, but also an inn, so distantly related to the words tafarn in Welsh and tavern in English. A tabernacle was a portable tent that was used before the construction of the temple, where the presence of God was believed to dwell, but then came to be a name for the Jewish temple in Jerusalem. It was probably chosen as a chapel name, as it was hoped that the chapel would be a place where the presence of God abides. So the name literally means hillside. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.